Hey guys, this video is on topic 1, dilating lines in the coordinate plane. This is the purple reference sheet that you got for this topic. The key to these types of questions is that you have to remember your first step. This is what we always forget. We have to check to see if the center of dilation is on the line or not. Because whether or not the center of dilation is on the line tells us what's going to happen. If the center of dilation is not on the line, our line is going to move. It's going to move twice as far because my scale factor is 2, but my lines are going to be parallel. So the key here is my center of dilation is not on the line. My slopes are going to be the same. Same slopes because my lines are parallel. Now because the center of dilation was not on the line, my y-intercept, which was A, is going to move twice as far from my center. So from 4, it moves twice as far to 8. So the way that I get from my old y-intercept to my new y-intercept is by multiplying by our scale factor. In this case, our scale factor was 2. So 4 times 2 is 8. However, if the center of dilation is on our line, the points just move along the line. D moves to D prime, C moves to C prime. So I end up with an equation that is literally the exact same equation as I started with. This equation is the same as my answer. Okay, nothing happened. And again, these two situations are laid out on the purple sheet, tells you exactly what to do. So looking at a quick example, number 10, I'm given a line. My first step is to check my COD, my center of dilation, and check to see if it's on the line. If my line is 8y equals 2x minus 5, my center of dilation is the origin. That's 0, 0, so I'm plugging in a 0 for y, and I'm plugging in a 0 for x. If I type this in the calculator, 8 times 0 equals 2 times 0 minus 5, I get false. If I get false, this means that my center of dilation not on the line. Okay? Again, if my center of dilation is not on the line, then my slope is the same because my lines are parallel, and I find my y-intercept by my new y-intercept by multiplying by my scale factor. So for my slope, I cannot find the slope by looking at this equation. My equation has to be in slope-intercept form. This is slope-intercept form. If I get my equation in this form, m is my slope, b is my y-intercept. So I have to solve for y first. 8y equals 2x minus 5. I'm going to divide through by 8. I get y equals 2 divided by 4 is 1/4, x minus 5/8. So my slope is 1/4. My y-intercept, b, is negative 5/8. So I need to use the same slope. I'm going to use a slope of 1/4. My y-intercept, I still need to find. My old b is negative 5/8. My new b is negative 5/8 times my scale factor. My scale factor is 8. If I type that in my calculator, I'm going to get negative 5. So my new equation is y equals, same slope of 1/4, x, and my new y-intercept is negative 5. Done. Question number 11, same thing, start by checking my COD. I'm just going to bring the equation down. I don't have to solve at this point. I'm just going to plug in my center. My center is negative 2, 2, x, y. So I have 2 times negative 2 minus 7 times 2 equals negative 18. If I type that in my calculator, and hit enter, my calculator tells me that that is true. If it's true, then my COD is on the line, in which case my equation is exactly the same equation. So I'm just going to rewrite the equation that was given to me. And that's my answer. That's it.